Twinkle, twinkle. Oh, hello there, young explorer. Can you see me glowing? I am Lumi, the tiny firefly. I live inside the shining lantern. The shining lantern holds the stories. Stories about listening, looking, and learning. But shh, the lantern only lights up when children are ready to listen. So, are you ready? Let's try it. Sit comfortably, put your hands on your knees, and open your eyes widely. And softly whispered, "Shine, lantern, shine! One, two, three, shine, lantern, shine!" Oh, the lantern is growing brighter. The story is appearing inside. Look! One morning, Ellie went to the garden. Ellie likes to listen. As he walked, he heard a sound. Ellie stopped and said, "What is the sound?" He walked near the tree. There, he saw a small bird. Ellie smiled and said, "Oh, it's a bird." Then he heard another sound. He looked at the flowers. A bee was flying. He went to the bee. Oh, the bee is so beautiful. Ellie sat on the grass and listened to different sounds. The garden has many sounds. Ellie smiled and said, "My favorite sound is the bird. I like it because it sounds like a song." Then his mother called him and said, "Ellie, it's time to eat." Ellie stood up and said, "I like listening to sounds. I will listen again tomorrow." Ellie made a wonderful discoveries today. You listened so well, little explorer. Now, the lantern is getting sleepy. Before it rests, let's send Ellie a soft goodbye. Wave your hands slowly and say, "Goodbye, Ellie. Keep discovering." One, two, three. Goodbye, Ellie. Keep discovering. Oh, the lantern is dimming. The light is resting. Remember, stories help us learn. Stories help us listen. And stories help us imagine. Until our next shining stories. Bye!